GAVASTO hot and iced coffee maker for K-cup and ground coffee, 5 to 6 cups coffee maker and single-serve brewers with 40 ounces large water reservoir, strong brew mode, descale reminder and self-cleaning. Discover 3 brew modes to cater to your unique taste preferences, guaranteeing a delightful coffee experience every time. Strong brew for a bolder flavor, over ice brew for refreshing over iced coffee without dilution, and regular brew for a classic, balanced taste. This single-serve coffee maker comes with a K-pod adapter and a reusable adapter. Brew a single-serve cup of coffee with 20 grams freshly grounds for ultimate flavor or with a coffee pod for ultimate convenience. Both adapters are dishwasher safe. Savor a freshly brewed cup of coffee in just 3 minutes with the GAVASTO single-serve coffee maker. Say goodbye to the tedious chores of manual grinding, measuring, and brewing, making your morning routine filled with graceful. Get best price, discount and details about this item. You can click link in description.